Maria is 28 years old, single mother of 2 boys. She is living in the suburbs of Buenos Aires and works as an unregistered housemaid. Like 50% of the population in Argentina, and in Latam as well, she is underbanked and underserved by the traditional banking system, and she is struggling to get involved in the financial ecosystem and to get access to basic financial services. Financial non-inclusion, the main factor responsible for social non-inclusion. Why? Both unregistered employees and self-employed micro-entrepreneurs need access to financial instruments to expand their business. They need financial security against the high inflationary scenario and against the lack of confidence in the Argentinian currency. Why? When unregistered people go to the traditional banks, they cannot validate their income, so they cannot meet the minimum requirements to open account, access loans and credits, among others financial services. Why? As they are working in the informal economy, within the unregistered labor market, they do not have the documentation to support their incomes, employment relationships, social security contributions, etc. Why? Companies, employees, self-employed and micro-entrepreneurs are under huge fiscal pressure, consequently they tend to remain outside the formal market. Why? The rigid and outdated national labor regulations and the high tax burden generate that many companies are forced to hire their employees on an unregistered basis or not to hire at all. Cool Bank aims at solving this gap. Underprivileged communities are the main target of the solution, communities suffering of financial exclusion, with no access to bank accounts, loans and credits, payment facilities. For the business side of the underprivileged communities, they are lacking access to financial leverage to expand their own business, lack of capitalization, lack of saving accounts, lack of investment opportunities. Cool Bank, a digital wallet, will enable Maria to go through a specific onboarding process and dedicated financial services, including financial education through gamification. Our objective is to bring financial inclusion and financial education Maria. By onboarding her into the financial system, we want to raise their overall financial situation, benefiting from a whole set of financial services.